All right. So we're going to talk about how to use that connectivity array to build the global stiffness matrix. So to save time, I already wrote out the two stiffness matrices that I had written on the board. I just used the designation KT for triangle and KR for rectangle, as opposed to KE1. I thought that'd be too many number indices in there. So anyway, if we build that connectivity array that I have up there, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. We can. Sorry, you're right. 3. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And we're going to use that for assembly. So the first thing we need to do when we assembly is, just like before, we need to allocate space for the global stiffness matrix. So we're going to say constant array 0, and there are 5 total nodes, right? So it'll be 5 by 5. All right. The second thing I'm going to do, just for looping purposes, you wouldn't need to do this if you had all triangles or all rectangles, or all of the same stiffness matrix. But since we have two different ones, I'm going to create a new variable called KE that's actually an array that contains K tri and K rectangle. So you can't really view this in a matrix form or anything. It's just you'll see how I'm going to use it in a second for looping purposes. So it has, the first entry is the triangular, and then right next to it has the rectangular from up here. Okay. So for the assembly, what we can do is we can say do K, and just like before, we're going to say we're going to index it, but we're going to index it with the actual entries from the connectivity array. So what we want is the first time through, the first time through the loop, we're going to take the first row. So we want the triangle stiffness matrix to go in, and the rows of the triangle stiffness matrix 1, 2, 3, we want to be placed in the 1, 2, 3 locations of the global stiffness matrix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reference it. I'm going to say connect I plus equals KE I, and I is going to go from 1 to 2. Right? There's 2 elements. So the first time through the loop, connect I will be 1, 2, 3, and KEI will be the triangular stiffness matrix. The second time through the loop, connect I will be 2, 4, 5, 3, and KE2 will be referenced to rectangular stiffness matrix. All right. So I believe that's correct.